That's the video. Okay, dude, we have chicken wings and we have these. These have been in my dehydrator for, how long has this been? At least half a year. Let's be honest, half a year. So this is gonna be half a year long chicken wings. Half a year long lemon pepper chicken wings. It's aged, it's nice. I'm gonna show you how to make lemon pepper today with these peels. Okay, but seriously, these lemon trimmings, they're nice dehydrated, they're still good to use. And this is something you could do with leftover lemon peels, right? So I have these dehydrated, and since they're dehydrated, they can pretty much hold indefinitely. So if you wanna do this, you just take your lemon peeler or your peeler, potato peeler, whatever kind of peeler. You take your lemon peels like this, you put it in the dehydrator, dehydrate it until it comes out like this right here. And you've got lemon peels you can pulverize into a powder. Now, if you don't have a fancy dehydrator, you can just put them in the oven on a tray, crack the oven open, put it at the lowest setting. Usually ovens go to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Crack it open, leave it like that. Let it go until they're dried out completely. And then that will give us this right here. On to the actual product. And if you do it right, you should have what smells like a cleaning product. No, it's just straight lemon powder, basically. Put that aside, and then peppercorn now. You can use regular black, or you can use this fancy 4-corn peppercorn. A little bit of citric acid in there for a little bit more pop. Then some kosher salt. And there we have our very own lemon pepper. You can hold this pretty much indefinitely. Lemon pepper, done. Now I'm gonna fry these wings. So usually you don't season them before you fry them, but I'm gonna just do a quick cure, pull the moisture out of these wings so they end up more crispy and tender on the inside. So I'm literally just gonna do salt, just kosher salt. And then I'm just gonna let these sit for around 30 minutes. Now for these wings, I'm just gonna use a Dutch oven because I would like to cook them covered. You'll see why. I'm just gonna do some good old rice oil. Everybody has a box of oil in their house, right? That's a normal thing, right? See, I get a box of oil and then I put a little spout so then I can just like squirt it out. It works great. See, my oil's it's around 400 Fahrenheit. I wanna cook these at like 350, but I'll drop them in now because these are gonna cool my oil down anyways. All right, for the landing pad, I'm gonna use a bowl, butter. This is gonna go on the burner back here. Just let it melt. Lemon pepper on there. And there we go. Lemon pepper chicken wing. A little Parmigiano Reggiano. Let me know when to stop. Dude, that looks so good. No way, it's the perfect amount for a pyramid. Let it snow, motherfucker. These are probably really bad for you. Holy f. Look at that. That's the thumbnail right there, huh? That's solid. Here we go. Let's try the whole meat umbrella thing. I don't know, is that even worth doing? Let me know in the comments down below. Meat umbrella, or do we call it lollipop? I don't know. This is really hot, dude. Yeah, that was really good. Try that. What's next? Smash like, subscribe.